Hey everyone, welcome to Tellor Dev Call, May 28th. So awesome week. So we got 2 weeks until we're sending it off to audit. So we're just kind of heads down in testing mode here. Tim is over in Europe doing some traveling, doing some speaking. So
Right. He's gonna be at ETH Dublin next week, and I'll be at ETH Prague next week. So look forward to those talks, guys.
yeah. Yeah, and if you didn't catch Brenda and Tim's talk last week at DAppCon, they were both excellent. I think we tweeted them out, but yeah, so they're great. Anyway, yeah, so I'll be doing some testing. I got a few more Solidity changes I got to make to the bridge contract and stuff like that. And then I got a deep dive with one of the old Augur founders tomorrow. So we're just continuing down this historical intersubjective route. So it'll be another great one. So Micah is going to come on. It'll be fun. So if you guys have any questions, let me know by the end of today. Spuddy, how's things?
Things are great. I've been working on different bots and monitors. I learned how to use Forta bots last week, and this was kind of part of the same effort to figure out what to do with the defenders and sentinels, because without a second paid account, it's going to be hard for me to run the ones I was running, or putting them on, another paid account, because they don't send alerts very often, but it requires 2 bots for each network that we're on to look for tips and disputes, because you have to look at 2 different contracts on it, and the same sentinel can't look at different contract ABIs, and the same sentinel can't do different networks. So it requires that many separate bots for tips and disputes on every network. But I learned how to use the Forta stuff. So with Forta, we can do one bot that does tips and disputes on each network where Forta is deployed. We also have the option to not deploy them if we're running our own node, or we have an access to a node where we can download all the transactions every block. Basically, like, it's not an index, it doesn't index into the past, it just saves them as they are created, and then it searches them for transactions. So if we have our own node, then we could do that.
Yeah, I mean, we can give them a try. I think you said that. So Forta looks cool. Yeah, just
That's an option, but worst case scenario, we just upgraded open Zeppelin defenders to be able to do like just update our rate limit. So
anyway, and then Spuddy, do you want to help out Diva? I'm going.
Oh yeah, we got those yesterday. Yeah, I didn't even. Yeah.
And he messaged us too. So there's some new docs for they're doing what, donations? So be a Diva report.
It seems pretty manual, so Spuddy, it would be a bit review it very, very well, because it seems really well documented though. So, but I didn't try. So.
No, Vlad's really cool. So if I don't understand it, I'll just ask him.
Cool. Caleb?
I don't have any Sepolia tokens, so I don't know if you guys want to distribute some to the team.
Oh,
Let's do that. Yeah.
Sequoia.
I'm good. I got the faucet working last week, or believed to be working. It is sending transactions, and I got it converted to the API like Friday, so that should be working. I might try to deploy that today, but then now that I have that done, and we have the nodes syncing, I'm going to write a second script so that you can run one script to like start a node and it will sync up. And then after it's done syncing, you'll run the other script that I'm gonna write, and it's just gonna do it's gonna call the faucet to get you tokens, and then it's gonna do the staking and everything to make you a validator. So that's the next step of that. Should be fun. And then just messing around with being able to have tokens and do whatever we want to do now.
Nice. Awesome. Yeah, it's coming. I mean, the goal for me would be, right when we send it off to audit, the beginning, and right after that, we open the testnet up to the public for if you want to come test out being a validator. So.
I think Crossy already asked. So,
yeah, a few of them have. I've been.
Yeah.
They're itching. It's good.
I sent it straight to Caleb. I said, Caleb is working on it. He'll get back to you eventually. So.
Akram, how's things?
Good. Just running a few things on the reporter module testing. Also did a lot of the LinkedIn stuff. There's just a few things. Yeah, I'll push that over once done. It's kind of just tedious work, really.
Yep. Thanks for doing that. Cool. Ryan?
Just working on wrapping up the bridge page, the rework of the function I made per Tim's request. It's just something going on with the initialization of it. But want to wrap that up this week. And then also, if you didn't know, for the people watching, we have a Farcaster account now. It's at Tellor, not We Are Tellor. This time it's just Tellor. So if you're on Farcaster, give us a follow, give us a like, and a comment.
Perfect. Mike, all good?
All good. Jimmy from Vino got back to us finally, which is nice. Could do some co-marketing with them. We had announcements go out from Bob and ZK Sync people. I'm gonna follow up to see if there's some additional stuff there that we discussed that we could do with those networks. And another ADR post is going to go out today. I don't know, Brenda, if you want to like just do a quick glance at ADR 002, just to see a sort of update you might want to make before I talk about it. Yeah, there's some broken links in the docs that I have to fix that Tim found. And yeah, I want to talk with you and Brenda as well about some of the branding stuff off call.
Cool. Yeah, and then Brenda.
I'll be at ETH Prague on Thursday, so looking forward to that. And yeah.
Awesome. Yeah. Any questions? Do we get any, Ryan?
I didn't see any questions, no.
All right. Super good. Well, yeah. Thanks everyone for watching. Yeah, lots of exciting stuff going on. So talk to you next week.